Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to this new session on Maharashtra CET expected questions. So once again, I'm there with you. I'm Saral Nashier and I'll be discussing some questions from Maharashtra CET's perspective. So once again, welcome to all of you to BYJU'S Exam Prep. Before I start, I would want go ahead from your side as well. Am I audible and visible to all? Please confirm it once. After that, we shall start with our session. इज एवरीथिंग ओके? एम आई ऑडिबल? एम आई विजिबल? एक बार बता दीजिए, उसके बाद हम लोग शुरू करेंगे. So we are going ahead with the same kind of series that we have done before as well. आज भी वही करने वाले हैं. I hope you all remember. I mean, in the last class also we did it, right? So we'll be discussing some questions from quantitative ability here, and all these questions would be from almost of the same standard that Maharashtra CET does ask you. So Harin Raut says yes. Hi, good afternoon, Harit Raut. Sonu Kumar is also saying yes. Good afternoon, Sonu. Good afternoon, Vaishnavi. Happy Holi to you too. To all of you rather. Explore with Ramu. Hello, good afternoon. Hi Siddesh. Hi Aarti, Shivraj, Omkar. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Rushikesh. Okay, audible and visible. That's great, Vaishnavi. Thank you. Everything is fine. So I think we can start with our session without any delay. The process would be the same. I'll show you a question. You will try it first. After that, we will try that question. We'll try to find out the best possible way of doing the question, and that's how we'll move ahead. So let's start with the very first question without a delay. Here is the first question on your screen now. Start with the first question. Give me an answer. Hi, good afternoon, Rahul. Good afternoon. Start with the very first question. I am waiting for some answers before I start discussing this question. Rushikesh has answered C. Happy Holi to you too, Parajakta. Rushikesh has answered C. What about others? We have got just one answer till now. Hireen Raut has got A, which is 24. Rahul has got C. Music Core has got E. Four answers abhi tak. Dipankar has got D. Akash has got C. Sonu says D. Dheeraj says A. Aarti has got C. Sonu says 33. So let's start doing it now. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Bhumika is 15 years older than Sushant. So we have Bhumika, we have Sushant. The ratio is Bhumika's age 7 years hence. 7 years hence का मतलब है 7 साल बाद. That means 7 years ahead. And Kritika's present age is 3:4. So we have three people basically. Bhumika, Sushant and Kritika. If at present Kritika's age is 4 times the age of Sushant, what was Bhumika's age 5 years ago? I would always suggest start with the situation जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा information दे. For example, it says at present Kritika's age is 4 times of Sushant. So let us say the age of Sushant is X. So Kritika's age will be 4X because it is 4 times of that, right? Bhumika is 15 years older than Sushant. So if Bhumika is 15 years older than Sushant, then Bhumika's age is X plus 15. We got all the things in terms of X. The ratio of Bhumika's age 7 years hence. So 7 years hence, Bhumika's age would be x plus 22. And Kritika's present age, which is 4x, he says their ratio is equal to 3 is to 4. Their ratio is 3 is to 4. X plus 22 is to 4x is 3 is to 4. If 4x is being represented by 4, then 3x must have been represented by 3. Can I say from here that x plus 22 is equal to 3x, which means x is equal to 11. And the moment you have x is equal to 11, this comes out to be 26, this comes out to be 11, and this comes out to be 44, right? What is the question asking you? What was Bhumika's age 5 years ago? Today Bhumika's age is 26, 5 years ago was 21. So my answer would be option C. So 21, that is option C, is the correct answer for this question, which was first answered correctly by Rushikesh, followed by Rahul. Then I see Akash gave the correct answer, Aarti gave the right answer, and finally Explore with Romu gave the correct answer. The answer is C, 21 years. आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट नाउ. आप इस रेशियो को आप ये भी सोच रहे होंगे काफी लोग दैट हाउ डिड यू गेट x plus 22 is equal to 3x. Of course you can write it like that as well. X plus 22 and 4x, they are in a ratio of 3 is to 4. So even if you do this, you can still get it. Ultimately the 4 से 4 cancel out होगा. This x will go above and you will have x plus 22 is equal to 3x. But avoid these steps. I mean exam में आप ये competitive exams and no one looks at your steps. So avoid these steps and make your process a little bit fast by यूजिंग दीज काइंड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग्स कि यार अगर 4x की जगह 4 आ रहा है तो जहां 3 आ रहा है उधर 3x आना चाहिए ना. So x plus 22 must have been 3x. By that logic you can get it real fast. Okay. Hello Abhiram. So ultimately Viral, Sanskriti and Girish also got the correct answer. So I'll move ahead to question number 2. That was question number 1. I am assuming सबको समझ आ गया होगा. Here is question number 2 for all of you now on your screen. Would wait for the correct answer before I start discussing this question as well. Yet to get any answer from anyone. Of course, it's a slightly lengthy question. Ganesh is the first one to answer. He says B 72. Vaishnavi also says B 72. Rahul says 81. Music Core has got B 72. Yash has got B 72. We've got 5 answers. 4 of them are 72. One of them is 81. Abhiram has got A 63. Crick Highlights has got B 72. Girish got B. Abhiram got 63. Okay. Dipankar Sahu got B. Vitthal has got B. Explore has got D. Let us start doing it then. Okay, करना शुरू करते हैं. It says milk and banana shake are mixed in the ratio of 2:3. So I can take their quantities as 2K and 3K. That can be done. Naturally, there is 90% water in milk and 80% water in banana shake. So 90% water in milk. So 2K milk is there, which has got 90% milk. That means 1.8K milk is there. Sorry, water is there. And 80% water in banana shake. So banana shake is 3K, out of which 80% is water. 80% means 2.4K. So I can say together they have got 4.2K as the quantity of water in it. Of course, you can do it by alligation as well. 90% into 2 plus 80% into 3 divided by 2 plus 3. Even that can give you 84%. 84% out of 5K का मतलब है 4.2K water is there. Now 40 liters of water is poured into the mixture. So now the total water would become 4.2K plus 40, because this 40 is completely water, right? So now total quantity of water is 4.2K plus 40, whereas the total quantity is 5K plus 40. Previously total was 5K and 40 now is the water. So 5K plus 40 is the total quantity. 4.2K plus 40 is the quantity of water. So basically from here, I can say that if I subtract them, what is 0.8K? 0.8K is that solid part in milk or in banana shake, right? The non-water part, you can say, that is 0.8K. I mean, you can use it if you want to, because that becomes sometimes easy for us. He says finally the percentage of water becomes 260 by 3%. See, 4.2K plus 40 is 260 by 3%. 260 by 3% of 5K plus 40. There is one equation like this which you can solve. Or I can also say if 260 by 3% is water, then how much is non-water? 100 minus 260 by 3, that is 40 by 3. तो वो ज्यादा आसानी से सॉल्व कर पाओगे, because you know that non-water is 0.8K and that is 40 by 3% of 5K plus 40. ये ज्यादा आसान होगा सॉल्व करना मेरे ख्याल से. I mean both of them are going to give you the same answer, बट अगर सेकंड वाला ट्राई करोगे तो ज्यादा आसान होना चाहिए. 22 जा 40, 25 जा 100, 15 से इधर आगे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, दिस विल गिव यू 12K is equal to 5K plus 40, or K is equal to 40 by 7. I think I'm making some mistake. 12K is equal to, sorry ये 2 भी था इधर, 2 भी था तो 6K रह गया. So I get K is equal to 40. K is equal to 40 by that. K is equal to 40. What is the question asking you? Find the initial quantity of water in milk. How much milk is there? If K is 40, that means the total quantity of milk is 80. And how much water is there? 1.8 into 40, that is 72. So therefore my answer is option B, that is equal to 72 liters here. Right? I hope all of you got my point. ये इक्वेशन वाली बात आपको समझ आई होगी. Water is something that is big in, I mean, equation, if equation form, if you write 4.2K plus 40 is 260 by 3% of 5K plus 40. It is easier to calculate 40 by 3% is equal to non water thing, which is 0.8K. So that becomes easier for us to calculate. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें यूज किया कीजिए क्वेश्चंस में, they will definitely save your time. So later on, I see that Divya had also given the correct answer as 72. Sonu had given D. But I'm sure now all of you got it. Where were you going wrong? अगर कहीं पर कोई mistake हुई हो तो ठीक मिला है तो क्या था, गलत हुआ है तो क्या हुआ है. I'm assuming that this is clear to all of you now. This was slightly lengthy question, but again, I do not find an easy way of doing it. Of course, I can use alligation here, but even that is making it difficult. First, I use alligation on 90 and 80, that gives me 84%. Then I use alligation on 84 and 260 by 3%, 84 and 100%, that gives me 260 by 3%. So वो भी उतना आसान नहीं है, तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है ज्यादा अच्छा तरीका यही था हमारे लिए करने का. Okay, so I'll move ahead to the next question. Question number 3, it is here on your screen now, so please try to answer this question. Oh, sorry Samriddhi, just saw your message. That was easy. I have anyways repeated, so I'm sure you would be able to find it in the recorded video. अगर फिर भी समझना है समृद्धि, you can just put it in the comment section. I'll answer there. So for all the people who are watching the recorded video, so if you have any doubt at any point and you are unable to solve that, Just put it in the comment section. I'll answer that comment. Here is question number 3. I'm expecting a faster answer this time. It's a question, I mean, routine question from time and work. You must have done such questions before as well. Music core has answered as B. Okay. Crick highlights has answered. What did he answer? C. Okay. There is 7. Dipankar Sahu has answered B6. Vaishnavi has answered B6. Ritesh has answered B6. Okay. Akash says C, that is 7. Girish says B, which is 6. Chetan says C, which is 7. Okay. Nishigandha has got C, which is 7. Crazy Ajay has got C, that is 7. Yash has got B, which is 6. Ganesh got D. Ved Gaurav has got A. So we have got A as well as B, C and D. No one has answered E yet. A, B, C, D तो चारों आ गए हैं. Rahul has got 8, which is D. I think we can start doing it now. करते हैं जी. An inlet pipe can fill a tank in 5 hours and an outlet pipe can fill it in empty it in 36 hours working individually. So inlet can fill it in 5 hours and outlet can take out in 36 hours. He says at least how many additional number of outlet pipes should be used apart from an inlet and outlet such that the tank never overflows. Tank would never overflow if your outlet is greater than or equal to inlet, right? So the water which is going out, if that is equal to the water that is coming in, so of course the water level would remain. ठीक है, जितना आ रहा है उतना ही जा रहा है. And if the water going out is more, in that case, of course, overflow तो छोड़ा, ऐसे में after some time it would be empty. Okay. So now, in what case that happens? First of all, as we do by unitary method, assume the capacity as 180 liters, the LCM of 36 and 5. 180 की capacity के हिसाब से the inlet is putting in 36 liters every hour. The outlet is putting in, taking out 5 liters every hour. Now, how many more outlets do I need so that their total capacity becomes greater than or equal to 36? So, can I say I should be having, even if I have 7 outlets, 7 outlets की भी total outlet जो होगी capacity, that is 35. We want it to be at least 36. So, I need 8 outlets. So, 8 outlets are needed to just go above that the capacity of the inlet. And 8 outlets का मतलब 1 outlet is already there. I need 7 more outlet pipes so that it would never overflow. So my answer for this question is option C, that is equal to 7. Probably many of you who answered 8, उन्होंने ये mistake की होगी, आपने ये नहीं देखा how many more additional number of outlets है ना, ये लिखा हुआ है ना, additional number of outlet pipes are needed. So additional तो 7 है ना, 1 is already working. You need 7 more so that the capacity of those, the ability of those outlet pipes becomes greater than or equal to that of the inlet pipes. By that logic, we get the option C as the correct answer. That was question number 3 for you. Okay. I hope it is clear to everyone now. So I'll move ahead to question number 4. Question number 4 on your screen is here now. Here is question number 4. I would like to see some answers before I start discussing. Once again, a routine question from time and work. You must have done such questions before as well. Music core has answered as D, which is 225. Dipankar has got B, which is 125. Ram has got B, which is 125. Akash got B. Explore says 175, but Giri says B. Nishigandha says 150. Rahul says 225. Crick highlights is getting 275. So once again, we are getting different kind of answers. Vitthal has got B, which is 125. Sumit got C, 175. Ram has got 125. So let's start doing it now. Okay, let us start. शुरू करते हैं इसको भी करना. Arun alone can complete a piece of work in 15 days. Rahul alone can do the same work in 12 days. Arun and Rahul are assigned to do the work for rupees 1250. They complete the work in 6 days with the help of Ranjan. So this is Rahul. We have Ranjan as well. Now the first point is, let us assume the capacity, sorry, total work. Total work को मैं 60 units मान लेता हूं, which is a common multiple of 15 and 12. So Aman is making 4 units in a day. Rahul is making 5 units in a day. And together all three are making 10 units in a day. How do I get that? They completed the work in 6 days. That means they are making 10 units every day. So 4 are being made by Arun, 5 are being made by Rahul. Of course, 1 is being made by Ranjan then, right? So that means they are working in the ratio of 4 is to 5 is to 1. The job done by them is in a ratio of 4 is to 5 is to 1. So the money would also be distributed in this ratio. So Ranjan ko kitna milega? Out of 1250, Ranjan will get 1 upon 4 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 125 rupees. So the share of Ranjan here is 125. That is option B, right? Again, as I say, it's a routine question. जैसा आप रोज करते हैं बिल्कुल उसी तरह का question है. We assume the total capacity or total work as 60 units. So Arun is making 4 units every day. Rahul is making 5 units every day. And when all three are working, they are doing the work in 6 days. That means they are making 10 units every day. अब 10 units अगर रोज बना रहे हैं उसमें से 4 and 5 are made by Arun and Rahul. So that means 1 unit is being made by Ranjan, और Ranjan अगर एक यूनिट एक दिन में बना रहा है, so what is the money that he would be getting? It is 1 by 4 plus 5 plus 1 of the total, which is 125. So B option is the right answer for question number 4. I'll move ahead to question number 5. Here is question number 5 on your screen now. And please do listen to Girish as well. Girish is saying, please like the session. I see 64 people are watching, only 28 likes are there. So please do it for me. This is something that you have to do for me. Otherwise, the whole session is there. I am doing something for you. Music core has got the answer as A, 120 meters. Yash has got A, 120 meters. Ram has got 120. First three answers are all 120. Dipankar has got A, 120. Aarti has got A, 120. Vittal got A. Everyone is saying 120. Gaurav is saying B, that is 150. Nishigandha has got 125. Crick Highlights has got A, 120. AC got A. Explore with Ramu got 90. Verbal reasoning sessions are upcoming or not? Definitely they would be there, Girish. Sonu has got A, that is 120. Nishigandha got 120. Viral Sanskriti has got 120. Let's start doing it. Most of you are getting 120. Looks like that is the correct answer. Train M crosses train N, which is running in opposite direction at a speed of 72 km per hour in 6 seconds. So here, which means train N. So speed of train N is given as 72 km per hour, or you can also say 72 into 5 by 18, that is 20 meter per second. It can cross the other train in 6 seconds, which is coming from the opposite direction, and crosses a pole in 4 seconds. It crosses a pole in 4 seconds. Length of the train N is 60 meters longer than length of the train M. So if length of train M is equal to X, length of train X is 60 meters more than that. So it is equal to X plus 60. So we know that length of the train M is X, length of train N is X plus 60. We are left with speed of train M. Let's call that Y meter per second. Now one equation I'll be getting from here, that the two trains cross each other in 6 seconds. So two trains cross each other, then they cover L1 plus L2 at a speed of S1 plus S2. Now L1 plus L2 is X plus 60 at a speed of 20 plus Y. This is given to us as 6. This is the first equation that we have got. And train M crosses a pole in 4 seconds. Train M crosses the pole in 4 seconds. That means train M crosses its own length in 4 seconds. So own length का मतलब है x at own speed, which is y, in 4 seconds. So this is equal to 4. So from here I can say x is equal to 4y. Just put it there. If x is equal to 4y, तो यहाँ put कर दो. What do you get? 2x का मतलब हो जाएगा 8y plus 60 is equal to 6 into 20, 120 plus 6y, or y is equal to 30 from here. If y is equal to 30, question is saying what is the length of train M? Length of train M is x. So what is x? Y की जगह 30 put करो, 120 becomes the correct answer. Yes, option A is the right answer for this question. And I see all of you gave the correct answer. Sumit, Vaishnavi, Crazy Ajay, Viral Sanskriti, Nishigandha, Sonu, बहुत सारे लोगों ने सही आंसर दिया इस क्वेश्चन का. दैट मीन्स यू आर ओके विद टाइम स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस, है ना. इन टॉपिक में आप इसका मतलब ठीक है, काफी फटाफट आंसर दे दिया और काफी लोगों ने सही आंसर भी दिया है. दैट्स ग्रेट. The first correct answer though was given by Music Core, right? He was the first person to answer it correctly. Chaliye ji, that's very good. I'll move ahead now to the next question. The next question is question number 6, which is here on your screen now. Find the minimum possible value of n which has 12 factors. Achal is the first one who says A, Yash says A, Dipankar says A. Crazy Ajay has got A. Aarti has got A. Rahul says E, that is 96. Achal has got A. Nishigandha has got A. Kshitija has got A. Sonu Kumar has got A. Vitthal got A. So once again, everyone is saying A except Rahul, who said E. Sara has got A. Ram Gujar has got 60, which is option C. Chetan Kambale has got A, 48. Akash also got C, okay. Explore with Romu has got C, 60. Ved Gaurav has got B, that is 72. I think we should start doing it now. चलिए करना शुरू करते हैं. Minimum possible value of n which has 12 factors. So factors से निकाल लेते हैं ना. What is 48? It is 2 raised to the power 4 into 3. The number of factors is 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. It has got only 10 factors, not the correct answer. When I talk about 72, right? Rather, we should not be checking 72 first. We should be checking 54. 54 is 2 to the power 1 into 3 cube. The number of factors is 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 1, which is 8. This also is not my answer. Next, 60. 60 is what? 60 is 2 square into 3 into 5. So the number of factors is 2 plus 1, 3 into 2 into 2, which is 12. Yes, this is my answer then, right? The point is, why did I not check 72 first? Why 54? Because he's asking for the minimum possible value of n. The smallest number is 48. It has not 12 factors. Next is 54. It does not have 12 factors. Next is 60. It has 12 factors. If 60 has 12 factors, how can the answer be 72 or 96? They might have 12 factors, but they can't be smallest then. So therefore, I see my answer is 60. But the important part is someone said A and then many people said A in a line. The first person to answer correctly was Ram. And then I saw that Akash gave correct answer, Explore with Rumu gave correct answer, AC gave the correct answer, Rachit, Sara, Dipankar, बहुत सारे लोगों ने फिर सही आंसर दिया. But that's not right. That because someone has given an answer, तो आप सभी लोग वो आंसर देने लग जाओगे तो फिर अच्छा नहीं है. I mean, this does not sound good. Okay, should not be doing this. So the answer for this question is 12. I mean, nothing to be discussed here. आप ये कह सकते हैं what if options are not there? Then we make cases. It becomes slightly difficult. 12 can be written as 3 into 4, 12 can be written as 2 into 6, 12 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. In such a case, powers can be 2 and 3. In such a case, powers can be 1 and 5. In such a case, powers can be 1, 2. So that way you get to know. I mean, आप try करते हैं एक एक करके कि किस केस में सबसे छोटा नंबर आ जाए. That's a long process. So this is actually a question worth doing through options only, in my opinion. चलिए जी आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next question, question number 7 on your screen now. This was C option. Let's see what is the right answer according to you. Explore with Ramu has got 20 as the answer. Rahul has got the answer as 20. Chetan has got B, that is 20. Prajakta got B, 20. Dipankar got 20. Viral Sanskriti has got 20. Nituj Patil has got 20. Crazy Ajay has got 20. This question I was expecting to be answered by almost everyone, but we have got very less answers. Vittal has got 30 as the answer. Okay. Sir, so what is the answer? I'll talk about that, Nituj, in some time. चलिए जी, let's start. Rushikesh got 30. देखते हैं. Sum of two numbers is 300 and their LCM is 280. If two numbers are there whose LCM is 280, इसका मतलब ये है that they both can divide 280, right everyone? LCM is their lowest common multiple. So it is a multiple of B, it is a multiple of A. So A and B, they both are factors of 280 and their sum is 300. If factors of 280 are to be added and their sum is to be 300, of course one of the factors must be 280 itself. Because if you do not take 280 itself, the next factor of 280 is 140. Next factor of 280 is 140. And if next factor of 280 is 140, तो 140 में भी मैं 140 ऐड कर दूं तो भी I do not get 300. So to have 300, one of them should be 280, the other one must be 20. So the only possibility is that the numbers are 280 and 20. Yes, their LCM is 280. Yes, their LCM sum is 300. Question is, what is their HCF? So 280 and 20, they both are divisible by which number? They both are divisible by 20. So option B, 20 is the correct answer. That was a simple question. I mean, therefore I was expecting to be answered by everyone. कि सब लोग सही आंसर देंगे. But answer was given correctly by many of you. लेकिन बहुत कम लोगों ने आंसर दिया. Just 7 or 8 people have answered as A, 20, and 2 people answered something else. Otherwise, this could have been answered by more people. Anyways, I can expect more answers now in the next question. This was a simple one. Let's check the next one now. Question number 8, which is here on your screen now. अब की बार सभी लोग आंसर कीजिएगा, प्लीज ट्राई टू आंसर मोर नाउ. And still you have not liked the session. Many of you have not liked the session. Please do press the like button, guys. Let's see who answers this question fastest. Again, an easy question. Explore with Romu is the first person to answer. He says 608. Yash says 626. Nishigandha has got B, 608. Rahul has got 548. Okay. Ram has got 608. Yash got B, which is 608. AC Overthinking got B, 608. Akash Vishwakarma says B, 608. So once again, many of you are answering 608. Only Rahul says 548. But once again, only 7 answers are there. I am expecting more here. Viral Sanskriti has got 608. Girish Sonekar has got B, which is 608. Just 9 people have answered. Dipankar got B, 608. Let us start doing it. It says the product of two numbers is 18432 and the quotient when the larger number is divided by a smaller is 18 with no remainder. What does that mean? Larger is directly divisible by smaller and that too at 18. So that means if the smaller number is x, then larger number is 18 times of x. Smaller is x, the larger is 18x. There is no remainder in this case. And product of the numbers is 18432. So 18 into 18, sorry, x into 18x is 18432 or 18x square is 18432. From here I can say x square is 1024. If x square is 1024, x is 32. Simple. If x is 32, what is the sum of the numbers? Sum of the numbers is 19x. X is 32, so 19 into 32, 608 is the right answer for this question. For question number 8, the correct answer is 608. Later on I see सोनू है भी सही आंसर दिया है नितुज प्राजक्ता वेद गौरव राहुल and Vittal also. Oh, Vittal said E. Otherwise, everyone has got the answer as 608. I'm sure you found this question again easy. इसी तरह के questions आते हैं महाराष्ट्र CET में. They don't ask you very difficult questions. These kind of questions only appear. So the answer is 608 for this question. Okay. I'll move ahead from question number 8 now. I'm sure that there is nothing to be discussed here. I'll move ahead to question number 9. Question number 9 on your screen is here now. Again, a common question that appears in many of these exams, right? It'll be a very common question. आपने बहुत जगह देखा होगा ये वाला question. Here is question number 9. Dipankar got C, that is 32. Explore with Romu has got 42. We have got two answers, 32 and 42 till now. Saurabh Patil has got 36. Okay, three different answers. Yash has got D, which is 36. Yes, waiting for more answers. Movie download. That's the name. He has got 36. Sonu Kumar has got 36. Himanshu Tiwari has got D, which is 36. Ram Gujar has got 36. Ved Gaurav has got D, 36. Nituj Patil got 36. Sara has got 36. Nishigandha has got 36. Prajakta got 36. Crazy Ajay has got 36. Akash got 36. Okay. चलिए, let's start doing it now. Chetan Kamble got D, which is 36. Let's start doing it. A thief was stealing diamonds from a jewelry store. On his way out, he encountered three guards. Each was given half of the diamonds plus 2 over it by the thief. Half plus 2. To the second one as well, he gave half plus 2. To the third one also, he gave half plus 2. And finally, he was left with a single diamond. So, how many did a thief steal? तो कितने उसने चुराए? For these questions, there is a simple method. Backtrack. One is left after giving 2. That means before that you had 3. 3 were left after giving half. So before that you had 6. 6 were left after giving 2. So before that you had 8. 8 were left after giving half. So before that you had 16. 16 were left after giving 2. So that means before that you had 18. And 18 were left after giving half. So initially you had 36. So 36 is the right answer for you. Simple way. Of course, in these questions, you can also go by the option straight away. 24 से start कर दो. Half of 24 is 12. 2 more are given. 10 is left. Half of 10 is 5. 2 more are given. 3 are left. Now 3 का half cannot be given. So 24 is gone. 28. Half of 28 is 14. 2 more are given. So 12 are left. Half of 12 is 6. 2 more are given. 4 are left. Half of 4 is 2. 2 more are given. Nothing is left. So if land में 0 बचा होता, then my answer would have been 28. And that ways you can check one by one and you would see 36 is the only one that satisfies these conditions. So 36 is the correct answer. Later on I see Girish, विठल, वायरल, चेतन, आकाश, क्रेजी जब बहुत लोगों ने करेक्ट आंसर दिया, प्राजक्ता, निशिगंधा, सारा एंड ऑल. So 36 is the right answer for these questions. Always keep in mind in these questions, the best way is to go backwards. End से शुरू कीजिए, you will get the answer easily then. Okay? चलिए, I'll move ahead from here to question number 10. Here is question number 10 for all of you on your screen now. Here we have question number 10, and today we'll be doing two more questions as the bonus questions because of course we have time, so I think we can afford to do that. The value of 4x square minus 12x plus 27 can never be less than what? That means you have to find out the minimum possible value of this quadratic. Yash got the answer as E, which is 9. Okay. Vaishnavi also got E, which is 9. Rahul has got 9. Okay. Kshitija has got 9. Dipankar has got E, which is 9. Gaurav Pandey has got B, 18. Nituj Patil has got 9. So till now everyone has got 9 except Gaurav. Gaurav got 18. Sara has got E, that is 9. Akash Vishwakarma has got E, that is 9. I think we can start doing it now. Sonu has got 9. Looks like 9 is the right answer then. अगर सबका ही 9 आ रहा है तो निशिगंधा का भी 9 आया है. So the minimum value of a quadratic is straight away given by minus d by 4a. एक सीधा तरीका होता है. It lies at minus b by 2a and the value is minus d by 4a. So either calculate minus b by 2a and put it in the equation or straight away calculate d and put it. D क्या होगा? B square minus 4ac. So B square minus 4 into a into c. So it is 144 minus 4 4s are 16 into 27. So 16 sevens are 112 and 11. 32 plus 11 is equal to 43. So 144 minus 432 is minus 288. D is minus 288 and 4a would be 4 into 4. So my answer would be minus of minus 288 divided by 4 into a. A तो 4 है, that is 16. So it is 288 divided by 16. So the answer is equal to 18. So option B 18 is the correct answer. The other way that I am saying is minus b by 2a निकाल सकते हो, that is minus of minus 12 divided by 2a, that is 2 into 4. It is 3 by 2. So put 3 by 2 here and once again you will get the answer. 4 into 3 square by 2 square minus 12 into 3 by 2 plus 27. There's also one way of doing it. It is 9 minus 18 plus 27. This will also give you the answer as 18. The minima of a quadratic, of course, minima would always be there only if the coefficient of x square is positive. So if the coefficient of x square is positive, you will get the minima, and that minima lies at minus b by 2a. Value of the minima is minus d by 4a. So either of the ways, minus b by 2a निकाल के put कर दो या minus d by 4a calculate कर लो. That will give you the correct answer for this question. So that was the 10th question of the day. I'll be doing 2 more questions, but for that you have to like the session. So please do take the number of likes above the number of people watching. 65 watching, so it should be above 65. तभी आपको 2 क्वेश्चन और कराऊंगा, अदरवाइज नहीं. ठीक है, तो ये रिश्वत है बेसिकली. जब तक 2 और लाइक्स नहीं हो जाएंगे कम से कम 60 प्लस, तब तक मैं आपको 2 और क्वेश्चन नहीं कराने वाला. Okay, let's move on to question number 11. Here is question number 11 for all of you on your screen now. दिव्यम रमन से वॉचिंग कम हो गई. हाँ, मुझे यही लग रहा है. बस 10 क्वेश्चन देख के लोगों को लगा ओके दैट्स इन, टुडेज जॉब इज डन, तो चलते हैं आप. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Ram Gujar has got C 4 root 3. Sonu Kumar has got D 6 root 3. Nituj Patil has got A, that is root 3. Okay, thank you Rahul. Niyati Rathi has got B, which is 2 root 3. Nishigandha has got D, which is 6 root 3. Chetan got D, that is 6 root 3. Himanshu got D, which is 6 root 3. Dipankar got D. Manjeet has got C. So it's an easy question. It should have been answered by all of you fast enough. It's a direct rule based question. Kshitija has got D. Prajakta has got D. Yes, Divyam, that's correct. You remember Simi from last year? Yes, Manjeet, I do remember Simi from last year. She was a talk of the batch. Normally, we had a chat a lot with Simi. Vaishnavi has got the answer as D. Akash has got the answer as A. I think we can start doing it now. करना शुरू करते हैं. ठीक है? So I'll take help of some media here. Okay. So first of all, let me make an equilateral triangle. Okay. तो equilateral triangle would look something like this. तो पहले मैं एक equilateral triangle बना ली मैंने, and there should be no fill in the triangle. After that, what does the question say? Question says, in this triangle, if the medians from A and B meet at point P, so let's draw a median from point A and let's draw a median from point P as well. Okay, B से भी एक draw कर देता हूं median. They meet at point P. So this is point P in the middle. After that it says then find the length of CP. तो हमें CP की length अब निकालनी है. So we have to find the length of this line segment here. That's there. और इसको मैं थोड़ा सा अलग से दिखा देता हूँ. Right? We have to find the length of this line segment. I hope it is clear to all. So it's an equilateral triangle. Let's say this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. He says that every side is 12 and the median from A and B meet at point P. So the medians meet at point P. In case of an equilateral triangle, whatever is the median, जो median होता है, right? The same is also the angle bisector, the same is also the perpendicular bisector, the same is also the perpendicular. वो सारा कुछ वही होता है. So therefore this point P is also the circumcenter. और इस पॉइंट से जो ये डिस्टेंस होता है यहां से यहां तक का, in case of equilateral triangle, actually it is the circumradius. I mean this distance as well as this distance as well as this distance, they all are circumradius. Whereas if I talk about this distance or if I talk about this distance or if I talk about this distance जो यहां पर बनेगा अगर मैं इसको एक्सटेंड कर दूं तो these all are in radius, वो in radius होते हैं. Now circumradius of an equilateral triangle is a by root 3. A यहाँ पे 12 दे रखा है, so 12 by root 3 is 4 root 3. So 4 root 3 is the correct answer for this question because the question was just asking you about the circumradius. So circumradius is the correct answer. That's it. 4 root 3 is the right answer for this question. ठीक है जी? क्या क्या कह रहे हैं? Last date of CET registration, I think it was yesterday, Shubham. 6 मार्च थी. Yes, it's over. 7 to 8 मार्च करेक्शन होगा, एक्सटेंड होगा नहीं क्या? ऑलरेडी एक्सटेंड हुआ था 2 अच्छा, ये आपस में आप बातचीत करें. ठीक है, चलिए जी. दैट वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. आई एम श्योर दैट दिस इज अंडरस्टूड. सो नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे. हियर इट इज ऑन योर स्क्रीन नाउ एंड इट्स अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम सीरीज. लेट्स सी हु आंसर्स दिस फास्टेस्ट. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 फॉर द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ 100 मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस फॉर महाराष्ट्र सीईटी. Answer this question number 12 now. Akash has got the answer as D33. Sonu Kumar has got 33. Okay. Sara has got D33. Yash has got 33. Rahul has got 33. Samruddhi has got D33. So everyone has answered 33 till now. 6 people have answered. Manjeet has got D33. Dipankar got C, that is 33. Kshitija says D, Prajakta says A, that is 12. Ram has got 33. Chaliye, everyone has giving almost the same answer. Let's check. 8, then 12. The difference is 4. 12 and 21. The difference is 9. 21 and 33. The difference is 12. 33 and 62. The difference is 29. 62 and 98. The difference is 36. 98 and 147. The difference is 49. So this is 2 square. This is 3 square. This is 6 square. This is 7 square. It is very clear. It should have been 4 square. It should have been 5 square. Isn't it? तो अगर ये 4 square और 5 square होते, the next number after 12 would be 12 plus 16, that is 28, and then 28 plus sorry 21 के बाद, आई एम सॉरी, यहां नहीं, ये मैंने गलत लिख दिया है. हाँ जी. So after 21, the next number would have been 21 plus 16, which is 37, and then 37 plus 25, that is 62. So this is the number which is wrong in this series. D option 33 is the correct answer for this question. Yes, it should have been 37. Later on, Ram has clarified it. So that's all, guys. That's all for today. That was the 12th question. That's all from my side. Now, anyone is looking for CAT 2023 comprehensive program? Yes, we do provide that. Everything written on the screen, we do provide all these things to you in our course. Live sessions, engaging videos, mock tests, practice questions, GDPI preparation, everything would be included. The new batches keep on starting almost every alternate week. So you can join BYJU'S Exam Prep for a good preparation if you're looking for it. Also, to help you with that, we have a scholarship test as well on 4th of March. I think it is wrongly written over here. Now it is on 18th of March at 7 p.m. So just register now for that and you can win up to 90% scholarship to join our batch. Also, today only at 7 p.m. I am taking a session that is how to maximize your score in CAT 2023, and the session would be on the BYJU'S Exam Prep app. Go to the app, register for this session. I'll be live with you at 7 p.m. today only to talk about this topic, right? We are also available on all these media handles. You can find us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and Android. And that's all from my side, guys. Thank you very much. I'm sure you like this session. Just keep joining us for these upcoming sessions as well. हम लोग मिलते रहेंगे for upcoming sessions too. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Tara. Take care. Have a good day.